From a voice that moved millions to a presence that commands the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight you are about to witness power, passion, and truth in every note. Please welcome, very close to my heart ever since 2022, Asia's pop icon, Gigi Delano!
Cebu. Cebu. Are you ready? So beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, you know this song? Come on. When I see your face, there's not a thing You are my treasure. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are. You are my treasure. You are my treasure. Yeah, you are my treasure. You are my treasure. Treasure. That is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. No, you can make my wish come true. 'Cause if you let me treasure you, if you let me treasure, Mayong gabi, Cebu! Alam nyo, Sinulog is more than a festival. It's a reminder of our faith, our unity, at ng puso ng bawat Cebuano na laging puno ng pag-asa. Tonight, I will make you happy, Cebu. Happy Sinulog, everyone! Alam ko, recently, ang daming pinagdaanan ng mga Cebuano. Am I correct? Dumaan kayo sa matinding bagyo. Maraming nawalan, maraming natakot. Pero ngayon, nakangiti pa rin kayo. May tanong ako. Pagkatapos ng ulan, anong lumalabas?
Rainbow! Rainbow!
Rainbow. Bahaghari. So, for my next song, since lumalaban kayo lahat, this one's for you.
Yeah, rainbow!
Take a little time, baby.
Listen to the birds!
See no butterflies, colors. Listen to the birds that are sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? There's no way to Alam niyo to, di ba? Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. No, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things be speak and then just then we can really never have it all. No, 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 but oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. So baby, just smile. 'Cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, see the butterflies, listen to the birds that will say the same for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world sits still, we'll be night and day. Can you feel me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. When high and low, when we lose, you should go, baby. Getting warm, getting cold, when it could be so good. Oh man, but baby, this is life. Now don't get mad. No, no, 'cause oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. So baby, just smile, just smile. 'Cause I'm always around you, and I'll make you see how beautiful life is for you. Everybody, come on, take it. You believe there's a rainbow always after the rain. Not full of challenges, not all the time we get what we want. But don't despair, my dear. You take each trial and you make it through. Don't stop, 'cause you're strong. My faith in you is this. So I'll say once again, this was wonderful, and then I'll celebrate life that's so beautiful, so beautiful. Now I stand up. Can you hear me? Cause even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world sits still, we'll be night and day. Can you feel me? There's a rainbow always after
Alam niyo, Cebu, ang love, parang sinulog din yan
Hindi ko alam kung gets nyo eh. Explain ko. Minsan, magulo. Minsan, maingay. Pero masaya kapag totoo. Diba? Nako-connect nyo ba? Ako hindi eh. Joke lang. Lalo na kapag sinabi sa'yo ng taong mahal mo na ako'y sa'yo. At ay
Akin lamang!
akin. Sabay-sabay. Ganito lang yan. Ikaw nga ang may sabi na ako'y mahal
Alawan na ako. Pwede ako sa akin.
at sinabi mo ang pag-ibig ko'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit ika'y malayo? Puso laging nasasaktan at may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo. Everybody. At ika'y akin lamang. Kahit anong mangyari, pag-ibig ko'y Okay.
Officially missing you.
Okay. Wait lang. Sige. Sino dito ang gustong makarinig ng assurance sa partner niya? Na kahit gaano kahirap ang mundo,
Officially missing you.
may isang taong magsasabi sa'yo, nandito ako. Mayroon nais na lamang. Maaari bang magtanong?
DJ! Love you!
Alam ko ba
Matagal na kitang
iniibig? Matagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon kang ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin, ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso ko ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling sa'yo. You know, love doesn't always mean you end up with the right person. Yeah, that's true. Sometimes love means accepting timing. And sometimes it means letting go. And sometimes it simply means being grateful na naging parte sila ng buhay mo. Hindi lahat ng mahal natin para sa atin. Pero lahat ng minahal natin may iniwan na aral sa puso natin.
I guess it must be trying on our own. Deep inside we know we'll be back to set straight.
I still remember when your kiss is so brand new. Every memory repeats. Every step I take retreats. Every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to remember the things that we used to do. A kiss in the rain till the sunshine through. I try to deny, but I'm still in love with you. And I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. Ever since you went away, every hour, every day, I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say or do, there's just no getting over you. Bakit nga ba mahal kita sa buhay? Kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iaalay buong buhay. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang kibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sulat na naririnig, patak ng luha ko ay iwang sisig. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit di pinapansin ang damdamin ko, di mo man ako mahal. Ikaw pa rin ako na mahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal kang mang iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako mag-iinip? O bakit nga ba mahal kita? I have a question for you. Did someone ever fight for your love? No agad. Did someone ever fight for your love? Pinaglaban na ba kayo? Okay, kung hindi kayo pinaglaban, ikaw ba pinaglaban mo? Ipaglalaban ko ang aking pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating.
Elementary pa kayo nila. Nababatit na kanta.
Bawat sandali ng aking buhay, pagmamahal mo ang aking tagalay. San man maghintay. Ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Puso'y nagdurusa, nangungulila, iniisip ka pag nag-iisa. Inaalala mga sandali nang tayo ay magkapiling. Ikaw ang gabay sa aking tuwina, ang aking ilaw sa gabing makamana. Tanging ikaw, ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating. Pagkat sa isang tao, mahal mo ng buong puso, lahat ay gagawin. Kita kang kita kang ipaglalaban ko ang ating pag-ibig. Maghintay ka lamang, ako'y darating.
All I hear is raindrops.
For my next song, this is my original. It's titled Ulap. This song is a collaboration with Ben and Ben. Nasa Spotify na siya. If you want to listen to it, it's a very beautiful song. Kahapon lang nung sinagot kita, o ba't kumupas ang kislang ng ating mga tala? Hinarang pa ng ulan, bihag pa tayo ng pagkakaumay, mahagharing walang kulay. Hinarang pa ng ulan, sayang naman ang pinagsamahan. Kung hahayaang magkalabuan, sayang naman ang pinagsamahan. Kung tala'y tinakpan ng ulan, huwag bibitaw kapag mahirap. O bakit ba't di mo na mababawi at sa huli ang pagsisisi? Tsaka nang linaw ang tunay na mahalaga. O kapag mahirap. Sayang naman ang nagsamahan. Kung kayang gagawan. Sayang naman ang pinagsamahan. Kung bala'y tinakpan ng ulan. Pag-ibig daw kapag mahirap. La 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 Alam nyo, being a contessera is part of who I am. Hindi ko alam kung naabutan nyo na nagtawag ng tanghalan ako. Ay, nung bata din ako, nag-Popstar Kids din ako eh.
Julia.
Okay. Competing taught me discipline, courage, and the heart to never give up. And this is me, never giving up. I hope na ganun din kayo. Meron akong papagawa. Kung hindi kayo nag-give up, sabihin nyo naman sa katabi nyo, I love you.
Wala man po yung
Really? Iya pa oh.
I love you ka sa akin!
I love you! Pwede ba ako
Yan na, og, G.
magtanong ulit?
I love you ka sa akin!
Pwede ba akong maging kontesera?
Excellent
Well, hindi ko
yan.
naman masyadong gagawin yun. Kaya may na pang-contest na ihagis ko yung mic. Alam niyo, gusto kong gawin yun, kaso hindi ko kaya. Kasi idol ko si Charis eh.
Charis.
Tapos hinahagis niya yung mic, di ba? Nakikita niyo ba yun? Parang hindi.
Oh, excellent
Anyway,
yan.
don't worry about it.
Charis.
The song is for everyone.
I love you. Celine Dion. All by myself. Charis.
When I was young, I never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. pure.
Pera, eh.
All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself. Don't wanna live all by myself anymore. When I was young, I never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Don't wanna live. Don't wanna live by myself Everyone, you like that?
Grabe
Here's
ka!
some more. Do you want to jump?
Go!
But wait, there's more. Okay, our Cebu Governor Pam Paricuato. You're so beautiful, man. Thank you so much for inviting us, and of course, Sir Kenji. Sir Kenji. Are you ready? I want to hear you. Come on. Parang mas maganda kapag lahat kayo nakatayo. kaya?
Naog, Jay! Naog!
Sana
Baba na, baba, baba.
masaya. Sana sa susunod na isuway.
Baba!
Tila ibon kong lumipad, sumabay sa hangin. Ako'y napatingin sa dalagang nababalay. Napansin kaya sa dami ng iyong ginagawa, kung kaagaw ko lahat, may pag-asa bang makilala ka?
Puno ang langit ng pag-ibig, pinamig pa ng hangin. Sa tuwing ako'y nagpapaliw, giniwan sa abitin ko ito. Sana'y mahibigan mo, ibuhos ko ang buong puso ko. Sa isang munting harana, para sa'yo.
Tayo'y nagkasama muli. Salamat, may gabing nakalaan sa konting kasiyahan. Kay tamis na ating samahan sa
Lungkot at kaligayahan.
tunay na kaibigan, kasamang maasal.
Salamat at tayo'y may bilang samahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat! Sinuro! Everybody! Salamat sa'yo! Salamat sa'yo!
Thank you so much, Gigi Delana. Big round of applause! Yes! Iba talaga ang energy ng mga Cebuanos! And for the information, everyone, today, we are also celebrating
Gigi! Gigi! Lodi! Gigi vibes! Gigi vibes! Gigi!
Idol!
Selfie, selfie.
Look na lang po ha, para
Yes.
isa lang.
Pa-shout out. Pwede
Thank you. Idol.
Senior. It's senior. Thank you, Jim.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay na po. Okay na
Salamat
po.
po.
Pa-picture po.
Okay na po. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am Gigi, from tourism, Gigi. Picture.
Okay na po. Okay na po.
Ito.